If you are looking for a great real estate deal, you need to look for poorly marketed properties. These listings will have less buyer competition and sellers that are likely frustrated. So let's go over what to look for. And remember, you make your money on the buy, and you are not going to make these same mistakes when you eventually sell. So, what to look for? Number one, for sale by owner. I go into this a lot. You don't necessarily need an agent. There's a lot of tips I have on how to properly market a property. But number one thing to look for is for sale by owner. Number two, bad pictures. These often go hand in hand. Just because a property is for sale by owner does not mean it's poorly marketed. And just because property is listed with an agent does not mean it's well marketed. Number one tell, just by looking at it, is bad pictures. Pictures only cost a few $100s. If they are not going to invest in getting good pictures, that is the number one thing people are looking for. You're looking on your phone. Everyone is looking for, what's the first thing you look at? You look at the pictures. What's the curb appeal? What are the pictures? Do they tell a story? Did they just throw them in there? The pictures should not only be a good quality, they should also tell you something about the house. If they just threw them all in there and they start off with like 8 pictures of the exterior before you even get to the inside, that's not a good sign. Or it's a good sign for you, actually. Next one is bad description. If they were lazy with making the description, they just literally put in what you put in your search engine. Look at where your search for 3-bedroom, 2-bath in whatchamacallit county, and that is how they start their description. That's a good sign. It's got a bad description. Let's go into views. You can also look at the views. The view counts, you'll see them on all the listings, etc. So if you're on Zillow or Realtor.com or Redfin, whichever one you like best, they are going to have views and favorites counts on there. All right, next thing we're going to look at is Supra. You're going to look. This is not saying that Supra is the best thing out there. It's the best thing that I know of. But I do not know of the other options, and Supra is one of the best tools available to real estate agents. It controls the access to the house. It makes where they can, it's that blue box that you see outside. It's so only agents can get in. If you don't see Supra, there's a good chance that they are trying to cut corners, etc. And it's going to make difficulty showing the property and controlling access to the property. So if you see that they don't have a super box on there, or if you see like a lock box, anything referenced like that, it's a decent sign that they are going through a lot of work to try to get each one of these showings in. Showing time. Showing time is another great tool agents have. If they do not have showing time, or you can ask your agent if they have it as well. If they do not have showing time, they're probably going to be going through some difficulty scheduling showings, and it's going to be frustrated. And if in any of these pictures, you're going to look for, when you go see the property, you're going to look for anything that's small that they should have done that's not done. Think about it. At your house, you take care of your property, I assume, and just when you come in and out, you're going to pick up the trash, etc. If you see little things that aren't done, like pressure washing, grass cut, hedge not trimmed, if you got stuff on the counters, that's a good. If they have stuff on the counters in the pictures, or the grass isn't cut, obviously in the pictures, they are not putting a lot of effort into getting this house taken care of, and they are probably going to take a pretty open to taking offers. They're going to be frustrated. So that's what's to look for. Some of the little things. Hopefully, maybe you learned something. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks. This is Alan. This is Investing in Georgia.